dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green.
Hi everyone! Lately I've been listening to Billie Eilish songs a lot, so I felt inspired. The tears are obviously from When the Party is Over. There are some other details from her songs. I drew the main part on paper first. I was kind of nervous in the beginning. Drawing on jeans is a lot different from paper. So this time we're gonna need acrylic paint, Sharpie markers, paint pens and safety pins. So first I painted the left pocket white. While I do so, I wanted to talk to you about my project. Basically I collect old clothes and transform them. It allows you to give a new life to your clothes without buying new ones and wasting your money. You can go and read all about it on Ulule. I will put the link down below. It's in French, but you can translate it easily. Think about it, it's better for the planet. So back to the jeans now. I dried the paint with a hairdryer, then I started drawing.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my
I spent so much time on the pencil version that I didn't even film it. I then used the blue paint to make a base for the hair. I almost abandoned this thing, it looked horrible until I used the white pen and the silver metallic Sharpie. Also, the tip of my black marker broke, so it became thick.
I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my highest, burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my highest.
Anyway, somehow I managed to finish this drawing without actually messing it up. I did silver dots on the spider's legs. Don't ask me why, I just did.
Stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning
So the hair part is what got me really desperate. The white pen saved the day.
My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me?
I also did some blue, silver and white dots here and there.
Does your world revolve around me too? Me too. Me too. Is your head spinning too?
So after you did this, don't forget to dry the whole thing. On the other pocket, I wrote bad guy. I was pretty traumatized by the first one, so nothing crazy here. Next, I added some pins and I drew an eye.
Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve?
I already had cuts on these jeans, but let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial. There's a lot already, but who knows, just asking. So, talking about my project again, I'm sure you all have tons of unused clothes, and even if you don't want to support me, support the planet. Millions of clothes are thrown away every year, while some people can't even afford a t-shirt. Donate your old clothes, it won't cost you a thing. I will actually give 30% of my earnings to different associations, so if you want to help, feel free to contribute. So here you can see the result on both pockets. Next, I drew some flames on the legs. I made sure to connect the lines on both sides, back and front. It's really simple. And then it's done. Besides the Billie part, it's easily and fun to make.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all
I
the
hope you enjoyed
rules?
it, and if you did, hit
And
the like
imagine a
button
utopia.
and subscribe. See you next
Darling, I'm
time.
so fed
Bye.
up with these expectations. They weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.